Hey, how's it going? Michael Jones here with M&S Online Marketing, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the benefits of a business plan and the top 5 questions to address in a business plan. So before I dive into that, first, if you're new to my channel, if you could do me a favor, and if you're interested in making money online and how to start and grow an online business, please subscribe to this channel because on this channel, I'll be sharing with you my best tips and strategies on how you can start and grow an online business, how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, how you can get traffic, leads, and sales to your business. And my main goal is to educate, inspire, and motivate you to live a more prosperous life that you and your family deserves. So first I just want to go over the benefits of a business plan and why it's very essential that every business owner maps out a great business plan. So having a business plan in place for your business gives you more of a clarity. It gives you more of a direction and exactly where it is that you're trying to go. So it lays out step by step what it's going to take to achieve your goals and to be successful in your business. It gives you, it allows you to create the know-how, what it takes exactly to make this happen, and what it is that you're going to need to implement or to have to make these things happen. And I'll get more and explain more of that as I go throughout this video. So the first question to ask yourself is identifying your target market. So first question in mapping out your business plan is you want to ask who your target market is. Who is it that you're out there targeting? Are you out there targeting people that are in the wealth market, those that are looking to make money online, those that are looking to do affiliate marketing, those that are looking to do cryptocurrency, whatever it is, make more money, they lacking money, they're looking for a way to make money. Those are people that are in the wealth market, or are you targeting people that are in the health market? Those are people that are looking to probably gain weight. Those are maybe looking to lose weight. Those are maybe people to get more, get better sleep. Those are people that may be looking to get their body right, get in a fitness shape. Those are people that's probably looking to housing for their family members or nursing homes, healthcare officials, things like that. Like who are you targeting? Relationship. Those people that are looking to find their dream wife or find their dream husband or get their girlfriend back or whatever it is, relationships, like whatever it is that you're looking to know, whatever it is that you're looking to go into, you need to know exactly what that target market is. And then also, after you find out who your target market is, you want to know your target customer. So you need to know exactly what customer you're trying to target. What is your customers' age range? Like who are you targeting? Are they are they under the age of 18? Are they 18 and older? Are they between the ages of 18 and 25? Maybe 30 to 45? Maybe 45 to 60? Like you need to know exactly who your target customer is. You need to know whether or not they male or female, and or if they male and or female. You need to know exactly who it is that you're trying to reach. And then you also need to know what problems do they have? What are they struggling with? If you are a business owner, you are in business to help people solve problems. If you're not solving a problem, you're becoming a problem. So you need to understand that what problems do they have? What struggles are they going through? And what is it that you can do to help them solve that problem? And once you figure that out, then you'll be in business. So the third thing you need to ask yourself when mapping out your business plan is exactly how you plan to serve them. This is very important. You need to know exactly what it is that you can do for them and whether or not you can even do anything for them. You need to be able to offer a solution to whatever problem that they have, and you need to also make solid recommendations for them, whether that be here is my product, this is what I can do for you. So if a person, say for instance, if a person is looking to make more money online, and maybe you have a program that can allow them to give them the education that they need to teach them how to make more money online with affiliate marketing. Or if they're looking to lose weight and your product or service helps them lose 10 pounds in over a certain amount of time frame, or it helps them lose body fat, or it helps them get better sleep at night. Whatever it is that your product or service offers, you need to make those solid recommendations for them, and you need to you need to offer a solution to whatever problem that they have. Also, now that you have figured out what your market is. You figured out who your customer was, male or female, what age range. You figured out what problems they have and how you can solve those problems. Now you need to do your marketing. Now you need to find out how are you going to get in front of these people? Where are these people hanging out at? You know, you got to run advertising, whether that's going to be Facebook ads, whether that's going to be Google ads, whether that's going to be Bing ads, whether that's going to be commercial ads, radio ads, podcasts. However you plan to deliver and promote yourself and your business in front of them, you need to start doing your marketing. You need to start running advertising for that. Every business requires advertising. And it is very important to set a budget when you're doing this. A lot of people, business owners, they can get a business plan, or they don't even start off with a business plan, and they just start just running ads or start promoting their business out there, and they don't set a budget. I have learned this the hard way, definitely, to set a budget in your business plan. You want to make sure that you want to know exactly what are you going to spend each week, maybe what are you going to spend each month, and stay within that budget plan. Every business plan has a budget. And the last and final thing is you need to know your team and your key roles. You need to know exactly how your business will operate. Are you going to operate by yourself? Are you going to be a solopreneur? Do you need staff? Do you need operations managers? Do you need team leaders? Do you need supervisors? Do you need 10 staff? Do you need 15 staff, 100? Whatever it is that your business is, you need to know when you're mapping out your business plan exactly what it will take to get these jobs done to serve your customers. Also, you need to set weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annually goals for your business. You need to be able to do this every week, every month, every quarter, and annually set goals so that you can be able to achieve the goals that you're trying to achieve for your business. So this could be such as in the first week, I plan to, make my first 10,000, first 1,000, whatever it is that your goal is. I'm trying to acquire these employees. You need to have a business plan. And the reason why these business plans are very essential and why they are crucial to starting an online business is because without a business plan, without any clarity of what it is that you're trying to do, you're like a chicken with your head cut off. You have no direction exactly where you're trying to go, and you wouldn't know how to get there. So I also would advise, I think it's the best practice to be able to present or construct a business plan with somebody that has been there, somebody has been in your field before, who has been already in your shoes, who have already paved the way for you, who knows what it takes to get to where you're trying to go. That could be in the form of a coach, a mentor, somebody that has already been where you're trying to go. And if you can make a business plan, or if you can construct a business plan with them, that will be very, very crucial for your business, because now you're shortcutting the process to your success, and you're minimizing the amount of failures that you can accomplish, the amount of failures that you can come across in your business if you try to do a business plan by yourself. So I think it's very important to get with somebody that has been where you're trying to go and to construct a business plan with them so they can be able to see that, hey, yeah, this business plan can work, or maybe you need to tweak this or tweak that. Also, I think it's very important because if you're looking for funding for your business, or if you're looking for capital to start a business, every business needs capital to start their business, whether you have the capital or whether you need to go out there and get a loan for it. When you can construct the right business plan, and your business plan is in step-by-step directions, and it has been mapped out very nicely and makes sense, you're able to now take this business plan, place it before a financial advisor or a loan advisor. They see this plan, and they're more likely to be able to help you as far as achieving your goals in your business, knowing that this business plan can and will most likely get you to where it is that you're trying to go. So if you are looking to start an online business, and if you're looking to know how you can construct your business plan for your business, whatever that business may be, if you can do me a favor and click the first link in the description below, and you can get access to the same training, training that has allowed me to start and grow my online business. They also help map out my business plan. I now have a business plan. I know exactly where it is that I'm trying to go. I know exactly where it is that it's going to take me to get there. And I now have the tools and the essentials that I will need to get to be successful in my business. So if you're looking to start an online business and you need some clarity, you need some direction, and you would like to map out a business plan, then click the first link in the description below and get access to the same training. And that would also help and build out your business plan to where you're trying to go. I want to say thank you for watching this video. If you got any value, please like the button. Also, share this video. I'm sure a lot of people will get a value from this. Also, if you will subscribe to my channel, I'll be coming out with more content to help you in your business, to help you be more prosperous in your business and in your life. So if you can subscribe to my channel, that will also help me grow and help me grow my brand as well too. So I want to say thanks again for watching this, taking your time to watch this video. God bless you, and thanks. Have a great day.